The manufacturing sector has always been a cornerstone of India's economy, contributing significantly to GDP and employment. However, like many industries, it faces challenges such as inefficiencies, high operational costs, and the need for rapid innovation. This is where artificial intelligence comes into play, offering solutions that are not only revolutionary, but also crucial for the industry's growth and sustainability. According to a recent study by the Confederation of Indian Industry, CII, only 30% of companies have integrated AI. This includes sectors such as automotive, electronics, and pharmaceuticals. In this video, let's explore some of the use cases of AI in manufacturing. Firstly, predictive maintenance is a major game changer. By utilizing AI algorithms, manufacturers can predict equipment failures before they happen, reducing downtime and maintenance costs significantly. This is particularly important in India, where maintaining operational efficiency is crucial due to the competitive market. Companies like Tata Steel and Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, BHEL, use AI algorithms to predict equipment failures, reducing downtime by up to 20% and maintenance costs by 15%. Another significant impact of AI is in quality control. Traditional methods can be time-consuming and prone to errors. AI-powered vision systems can inspect products in real time, ensuring higher quality standards and reducing waste. This is especially beneficial for industries like automotive. For instance, Maruti Suzuki employs AI vision systems to inspect vehicles in real time, enhancing quality and reducing defects by 25%. AI is optimizing supply chain management by providing real-time insights and analytics. It helps in demand forecasting, inventory management, and logistics, ensuring that manufacturers can meet customer demands promptly and efficiently. In India, where supply chain logistics can be quite complex due to the diverse geography, AI offers a streamlined approach to managing these challenges. A study by NASSCOM found that AI-driven supply chain solutions have improved delivery times by 10% and reduced logistics costs by 12%. How is AI impacting jobs in this sector? While AI does automate certain tasks, it also creates new opportunities. There is a growing demand for skilled workers who can develop, manage, and maintain AI systems. Upskilling the workforce is essential, and many companies in India are investing in training programs to equip their employees with the necessary skills to thrive in an AI-driven environment. The future is very promising. With continued advancements in AI technology and increased adoption by manufacturers, we can expect even greater improvements in efficiency, productivity, and innovation. India has the potential to become a global leader in smart manufacturing, and AI will be at the heart of this transformation. At Shift 180, we offer AI and analytics advisory services across industries. To book a consulting session, write to us as advisory@shift180.in.